Okay, so excuse the fact that I've got a cold and sound like a man, but today I'm going to be sorting out this mess of a wardrobe. I'm actually embarrassed to show you this, but I'm going to be sorting out all of this and basically transforming it into a nice area to store all of my things. So over here I'm actually going to add really nice, really pretty little storage boxes. This will basically keep everything all organised and just make this wardrobe much cleaner and clearer. Like, look at this. This is just a mess. So every time I come into this wardrobe, I open the doors, and I'm not going to lie, it's like death by wardrobe, because when I open this up, this side here, I end up getting attacked by something, and like it's nearly crushing me. I'll open the door and I'll have bags falling on top of me. So it'll be much nicer to go into my wardrobe. Everything's going to be clean, everything's going to be organised, and I won't have basically be attacked by my own wardrobe, because this seriously needs sorting. Like, look at all this. Oh my god. So this long section here, I'm actually going to be storing my coats and handbags in, just to keep it like separate from my main wardrobe. It gives me a little bit more room. And I have a storage little bag that you hang, and you can put all of your handbags in. It keeps them like nice and clean and everything, like dust free, and it can all just hang on top of this bar at the top here that I'm actually going to lower. And it's basically going to be much easier, because when I go out, I can grab my coat, grab my bag, and go. Grab and go. Like, it's the grab and go unit. It's actually genius. So I have this vanity case right here, and this is where I store all of my bedroom Christmas decor. Decorations. They are so good, because I've got little pockets here that I can store little ornaments in. I have tinsel, literally, I've got reindeers in there, and it's so good because things in there aren't going to get smashed, because it's kind of in a secure place, and it's really good for storing little things like, oh, see, cute. So yeah, that is where I store all of my Christmas decoration, and anything to do with Christmas goes in there, and it is a really good storage place to store everything Christmassy. And look at my stocking. So cute. Matalan. It's quite expensive on it, but I love it. It's beautiful. I can't wait for Christmas. I'll be getting it out soon. Yay! I don't think that'll fit, will it? Oh my god. Done it.
Ta-da!
Christmas to go.
Christmas in a box.
That's always what it's been. I've never used it for travel. I've used it for Christmas stuff. I also have this makeup bag here. So this is from Primark, and this has everything that I don't use but I can use on other people. So I don't do this, but if I did ever have to go anywhere to do makeup or whatever, when I used to do my makeup course, this was my bag I had, because it has pockets, has a main bit. It has got some like makeup bits in here that I use on other people, like soap and sponges and weird things. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna, like, I use for makeup, and I'm now gonna have to find a place to store it, because currently it's just being dumped.
Don't even. Come my leg.
Oh my god.
Nice.
It's the socks as well. I don't think I've ever seen you look so.
These are from Primark with the eyelashes on. And the socks are from Primark. And the onesies from Primark, but don't you dare go any higher. You dare.
What? What? When your wardrobe's that big to fit a human in it. I could hide a multitude of sins in there, couldn't I?
This is a great hiding place.
If I was a murderer, wow, deep. But like, if I was a murderer, I could well hide like a body in there, couldn't I?
It'd stink. Turn that camera off, Susan.
Susan. So my mum has pulled everything out of the wardrobe, only from one half of the wardrobe. This is everything, even this down here. And we're now going to have to sort through this, but at least half of it's done. Ish. It's just like sorting through all this, but oh my god. Help. I don't like this.
So I'm just taking over the vlog here, guys, just to let you know about this beautiful spray. So this is the Method Anti-Backed Wild Rhubarb Spray, which is incredible. It smells amazing. Kills 99.9% of bacteria. And I think we need to spray down there because it looks disgusting, Georgia.
It's just dust.
Yeah, so this is really good. So you can use it on your dressing tables, units, door handles. So yeah, if you want to sponsor me, Method, or Georgia, feel free, because it is gorgeous. And they do a glass cleaner, and they do all different flavours.
Yeah.
Scents, even.
They are that
But yeah, so in the UK, this is about £3, but it's 800ml. I mean,
it's massive.
Let's just take a minute to appreciate the size of this bottle. In fact, it's 828ml.
Oh. Yeah, you can use it on your
So we're going to give this a spray, and we're going to obviously spray the shelves, and it'll smell all fresh. So wish me luck.
Look at Poppy. Poppy's over here behind that unit. Like, what? Look at that face. She's loving life on a Saturday. So, this unit right here, my Alex 5, with 2 pairs of... Oh. This unit right here is kind of where I store most things like my skincare, toiletries, jewellery, Bath and Body Works, sprays, perfume, and then I've got 2 drawers of makeup. But since obviously I'm getting PR and a lot of makeup, I've now decided to actually use this storage unit purely for makeup. So I'm going to have the top drawer for just foundations and concealers, second, etc, etc. So anything that's in here that's not makeup, I'm actually going to put... Do the grabbing head thing like you're being sucked in. Oh no, you won't want your face on camera, do you? No. Anyway, this is actually going to be just for my makeup, and then anything from this guy here, which toiletries, all things that are not makeup, will be going into my wardrobe, into these little baskets here, which are so cute, from Wilko's, £2. It's basically going to store anything that is not makeup, which just gives me a lot more room for this drawer here. But these are really, really cute, and if I need more, I'm probably going to get more, but they fit perfectly in the little sections of my wardrobe. So we have kind of cleared the bed, and we've done it into little piles, because Mum loves a good pile. Mum loves to have her piles.
That's a different video.
And basically, we have got things that I'm keeping, kind of bin and carry bags. We have my Christmas stuff, and then a little mini pile for charity, and then we also have my hangers that I kind of need to sort a little bit. But that's most of it done, which is just nice to know that we've got nice little sections for each one. We know what I'm keeping, we know what I'm getting rid of. Yeah, so that's kind of one. We've kind of tackled a little bit of it, haven't we?
Yep.
Tackled it. Done. Yeesh. So I have these 2 organisers. One is a accessory organiser where you can put like your jewellery, your belts, sunglasses, and then this one right here is a handbag organiser. So as you can see, you can put your bags in it, and they basically, dust free?
Yeah, so it protects them from dust. You've got 8 pockets, 4 on each side, and you just literally slide them in.
But you can hang them on your
So they're really easy to get your bags out, but you can see your bags, and it keeps them dust free, and they're hung up so they're not getting tangled.
And yeah, so these are both from Home Bargains. We love a bargain. And this was how much? 99?
The handbag one was £1.99, and the
one,
organiser, the accessory organiser, was 99p.
that's a bargain. It's really good though, isn't it, for what it is? So yeah, this is what I'm going to be using to organise the things that I need to do. Look how good that is. God, it's long. I can't look at it even more now. So I've just found this. And this is my name badge for when I used to volunteer at Alder Hay. How funny is this? Like, oh my God, how many years? This was only last year, wasn't it? Oh my God, how funny. Oh wow, how embarrassing. So I've cleared my wardrobe and added the handbag storage. It looks really good with all my bags inside. I am going to move the rail down, and then we've just cleared like the top bit. And then I've got 4 sections left to put skincare, hair, toiletries, things that I use obviously on a daily basis in little baskets. But yeah, this is the clear wardrobe, and it looks so much better already. Like, I love the handbag organizer. It looks so fab. Alright, so I have actually cleared these drawers. I've still got a few things at the bottom, but this third one is basically where I dump some of my makeup, and like some of it has PR in as well. But I've just cleared the top drawer, which actually was my skincare drawer, and this is like really bad. Wow, fingerprints. Oh my god, that annoys me. But this is normally where I keep my skincare. But I need to really go searching for some good drawer inserts. So if you have any good drawer inserts that I can store like my makeup in. At the moment I'm using boxes, which is not the best. Doesn't really fit much in. Like, as you can see, 3 foundations. I've got 1 in there at the moment. I've got 3 primers. And then these Nip and Fab concealers and my Kat Von D. I've got 2 Benefit Hello Happies and a Kat Von D one. Because I get sent makeup and stuff, I really want to keep my makeup really organised and keep it, obviously I want to look after it, so I really want to add them into my drawers now. But if you know any storage techniques or anything that is really good for the IKEA Alex 5 drawers, please let me know. I would really appreciate it. I need inserts for this. I already have one for my big one over there, but this is going to be for like my PR and probably for my main makeup. Actually, I probably will end up transferring everything. It's a lot, but yeah, I'm actually loving how this looks already. Also, I know I've just added my setting spray in here. I'm just kind of filling the space while I've got it, but would you like me to do a PR haul? Like, would you like to see me basically hauling all of my new makeup? Because I have got quite a lot of new makeup. As you can see, I've got like boxes. I've got a lot from Benefit. Like, wait, let me show you. Meow. Right, so I've got a massive bag, literally just full of Benefit. So if you would like to see me do like a massive haul, like honestly, this goes deep. Like, it's basically full to the top of Benefit products. I know, I'm so lucky. Like, I can't believe this is happening. This is what's motivated me to clear my makeup and really look after it. These are just like lashes that I need to sort out. But yeah, Benefit, I love you so much. But yeah, would you like a haul? Would you like me to do a PR haul? Because I would love to do that. In the comments, let me know in the comments if you would like to see a PR haul, because I'd be more than happy to do that, because I've got a lot of new makeup, and also I'd like to say thank you to the brands and show you guys what is like new and things like that. So yeah, would you like to see that? Let me know. Because it's bonfire weekend, Mum is preparing this incredible campfire stew, and where we live there is a really good like fireworks show, so we will tonight be in the garden having our campfire stew. Mum's just been doing some jacket potatoes in the slow cooker, so they go all crispy and fluffy. Go on.
No, go on. Don't you dare put that on me. What is the flash in my face for?
Hello weekend.
Oh my god!
Good.
Hello weekend.
Oh, we're coming. You can tell it's cold because you need. Come on,
Ready?
get the bacon done.
Watch.
Mummy!
Watch.
I can't put this in, I'll have to blow your nipples.
So tonight, guys, I'm making the chocolate cake mix from Aldi.
Cupcakes.
But I'm turning them into cupcakes. I'm making cupcakes.
Mhm.
Where's it? I'll fail. Where's my cupcake cases?
I don't know.
They were there.
Oh, you putting matchsticks on them? Why?
No, stop. So tonight, guys.
I'm gonna have to cut.
So for tonight's bonfire extravaganza from the garden,
Mhm.
Mama Ja is making Aldi's chocolate cake mix, but I'm going to put it into cupcases.
Yeah.
Cupcake cases.
Cute.
And I'm making, what am I making?
Bonfire cupcakes.
Bonfire cupcakes.
Ish.
So all you need for this, guys, is a little bit of chocolate. I don't know
Doing
what
a bit of Michael
Australian,
Finch.
but
Say Michael Finch in Australian.
Michael Finch.
You don't know who he is, but he's
I haven't got a clue.
He's an Australian makeup artist on YouTube, and everyone loves him.
All right then. Well, hi, I'm Michael Finch's sister, and tonight I'm
She's
making
the bacon version.
chocolate cake, but cupcakes, bonfire cakes. So this is a mix from Aldi, which is about £1.49. You also need some. This is Betty Crocker. I mean, who doesn't love a bit of Betty Crocker in the life?
That's Australian, isn't it?
Oh yeah. So this is the vanilla icing, which I'm going to add some food colouring to because I need it to look like fire. So
like
Daddy
fire.
is right now. He's in Asda getting the food colouring because the food colouring I had
It's out of date.
was out of date, 2017. So I didn't want to poison you guys. I've also picked up.
Please do.
I've also picked up some of these metallic cupcake cases because I was going to buy the cheapest, but I thought Georgia would go mad and not even put it on the vlog.
Oh no, I like the cheap ones.
No, they were really cheap. They were like paper with polka dots on.
Oh, that's cute.
I mean, look at those. Look at the shimmer. I mean, Michael loves these and his cupcakes.
You don't even
You
know
also
Michael
need one of
thinks-
these bad boys, which is just a cheaper little cupcake tin, you know, to put your cases in. We are going to put this in there. You need 200 mils of
Wait, why have you
water.
got red and green icing?
Ignore that. Ignore that, but these are basically a gel food colouring.
Yeah, but
Red and
we're not
green
using
don't
them.
make orange, Andrea, so...
How about that? You came in my room and you didn't know what made green.
No, it makes brown. That makes brown, doesn't
Blue
it?
and yellow makes orange.
Yeah, I haven't got yellow. So, anyway,
I've got
Michael,
brown.
if you're watching, this is for you.
Michael doesn't
You
know.
could use it for makeup, Michael, if you want. Bit of blusher, bit of lip.
Oh wait, I think he's... You know what?
It's American.
No, he's Australian, but guess what he did? He did a makeup look using food.
Well, there you go, Michael. I mean, I'm sure you're going to be viewing
You know
your
what?
video.
After this video, after we've recorded
go viral.
this, I'm actually going to show you Michael Finch.
Okay.
Michael.
Really looking forward to that.
He loves it, it's cute.
Yeah, and as I was saying before I was
God, we're still
really interrupted, you need 200 mils of water.
That's already prepared.
It's already prepared. Here's one I made earlier. And you
Okay,
also
Emma.
need some vegetable oil, apparently. So you need 60 mils of that stuff. Mix it all in and blend it. So I'm going to get my blender out. I'm going to pour it in there. And then you guys are going to watch the process. So if you want to make some of these, I mean, it'll be past Bonfire night wherever you guys watch this. I mean, this is going to be Wednesday. It's gone.
It's gone.
But next year, remember to...
Oh, if you just want to make chocolate cupcakes, just don't add the
Yeah.
bonfire bit. But chocolate cupcakes is a good
No,
recipe.
you really, it's not the same. You need to make the Bonfire ones. It's the,
No, but I
honestly,
don't
guys,
like icing.
you're going to love this. Okay,
I
so
know.
keep on watching. Okay, and if you like it, hit the thumbs up button.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. I mean, you never know. Might take baking up over on my channel.
Oh my god, for Christmas, what are we going to do for Christmas, Mum? We're going to do Christmas baking with Mama, and what we're going to make coming very soon.
Mince pies.
Yeah, and jam tarts, because I don't like mince pies, so it's going to be for the people who like mince pies. But if you also don't like mince pies, we're going to make
An
mince pie
alternative
free,
version.
which is what I would be eating.
Festive
Jam-
baking with
jam
Mama Jack.
tarts. That's what we're going to do, aren't
Yeah,
we?
yeah.
We're actually going to do it, but with a proper camera, not with my crappy phone.
Right then, guys, carry on watching.
Using the whole thing.
I'll make like 24 cupcakes, won't it? Right, I'll just get a spoon.
I love chocolate cupcakes, I will admit. Prefer chocolate to normal.
Ready?
Scene from Dexter. Why don't we film your face?
No, just get the...
Yeah, 'cause it's ugly.
Is it?
Savage. If it splats my screen. Go for gold. You've got the power to know you're indestructible.
Always believe in gold.
Oh my god. That is the tastiest mix. tasty.
Out of lunch, you're in the...
Oh my god.
Mr. Whippy.
Jeez, that's sick. What? Kids right now will be licking the bowl.
Brody would be licking the
I am. I'm not gonna lie, I am tempted.
mixer.
Don't you dare! Mother? Mother, no.
Betty Crocker.
Mom! I want some. Put some on my finger. Oh god, I'm not. Oh! Mummy!
Whoopsie.
Ew, Mummy! Oh no, there's an orb! Mum, why have we got orbs in our house?
Move my pants.
This is gonna make people go crazy, isn't it?
Yeah,
like if I
foodies.
watch this, yeah, but like most videos that blow up on YouTube at the moment is about food. I might have to turn my channel into a food thing.
Is this going to be music over this?
What kind of music do you want over food? Every time.
I'm a fire starter! Twisted fire starter! Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm on fire!
I'm not doing it, you know that.
So these will rise, I think, won't they? So I reckon, do you reckon about there?
Mum,
All rise,
every cake
all rise.
rises.
One for the cupcake.
Backstreet Boys.
No, that was
Oh, it's
Blue.
What?
Blue? Oh my god, do you remember the band Blue? Doesn't even sound right when you say it now.
Oh my god, that smells amazing.
It is amazing.
What?
Doctor.
Isn't it? It's Halloween, this.
I don't think I need loads.
Could be red, love.
No, but watch. You ready?
I'm just gonna stir it in, it's gonna magically turn out orange. Oh my goodness. My socks are blown. My mind's blown. Oh. The marble effect. Oh my god. Oh my god, that orange colour. Orange. Oh, I love that. That's what you want it to be, like dead orange. Like, oh yeah. Oh god, this could be really fun. Mom, Mom, you need to add more orange. Oh no, on camera that looks really pink. Just add the whole. Oh yeah. Oh, that was like pumpkin. Oh Mom, what have you done?
That's your flameage.
Look at the cakes rising. They're so cute. God, they've gone quite big, Mum. God, they're really round. That one's a right beast over there.
So that's your flames.
Yes. And then you put the match. Oh, yeah, so we've got matchmakers. So you can use flakes or matchmakers. We've got matchmakers because I think matchmakers look better because they look like twigs, don't they?
Yeah.
They look.
And they're not as... I used flakes once.
I love flakes.
And it was really crumbly.
Crumbly,
This
yeah.
is easy.
Matchmakers,
so I've
I
just
just
cut each
think-
matchmaker into 3.
Do you? Oh yeah, you cut it up.
Yeah. And then you get your... Oh my god, I love them.
So these are the finished little bonfire cakes. How cute are these? Like, oh, they look really good, Mum. Don't they?
Cute.
We love a baking queen. I love that one. So it's a few hours later now, and I have just put my lashes on, and I've kind of whacked my glasses on because I didn't want to put makeup on just for today. Obviously, as you have seen from today, I've been sorting out my room, my wardrobes, my storage, sorting my life out. But Mum has just cooked tea, and we're going to go outside now and have a little bonfire moment and have our tea outside and do a few sparklers and basically watch our local firework display. So basically we live right near a theme park, and basically from our back garden we can see a full-on firework display for free in the comfort of our home. So we're going to go outside now and do that. How cute! Look at the tea, it looks so good, doesn't it? Like it? Yeah. You got a jacket to put as well?
Yeah.
Yes. It's cold. So I'm outside in the garden. We've just had tea. It was so good. And now we're pretty much waiting for the firework display, which pretty much is literally here. Like, I'll turn the camera around. We've got a full view from the back garden. It's insane. And it's so cozy out here. Like, we've got a little fire burning. So cute.
Sing it.
It's not getting the glare thing. Not really.
G.
J.
J.
K.
A.
L. N. N. O. P. Q. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W.
Oh, I know.
Kids, you're out there.
Get a carrot.
Get a
Stick your
carrot.
sparkler in a carrot to protect those pinkies.
I don't mind kids, but
No, but even I feel safer holding that.
you look like you've just landed from NASA.
I'm out of space.
In your NASA coat.
Oh my gosh, she's so pretty.
A stink of smoke. Oh, I'm back inside, and I love Bonfire Night. If you didn't know, this is probably one of my favourite seasons, like autumn, where it's like Halloween, Bonfire, Christmas next month. what the blooming hell? Like, that is crazy. It's Christmas next month. Also, I'm sorry, my glasses, like, I hate the reflection you get with glasses. But yeah, I literally stink of smoke right now, but I love it. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm embracing it because I love a good, like, I love the smell of, like, Bonfire. It's one of my favourite smells ever. But I'm probably gonna go into bed and maybe watch Celebs Go Dating because I'm catching up on that at the moment. It's literally one of my favourite series ever. Like, Tom, I love you. And, like, I love the people in it this series as well. Like, there's some really interesting people in it. Love it. Like, I really like Callum. It sounds really weird, but Callum's really, like, bad. He's a bad boy. But I love him because I think, even though he's a bit of an idiot, I feel like he is so good at heart. So yeah, he's one of my favourites in Celebs Go Dating at the moment. He's so funny. And Olivia, she's like literally my brain. Olivia has very similar personality to me. Like, even though I don't show it on camera, her personality is literally me. Like, her humour. But yeah, I'm going to go bed. Not go bed. I'm going to sit in bed. Probably have some popcorn, my favourite, MacBooks, and yeah, watch TV because why not? Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm a Celeb is literally my favourite.
I don't know what to say.
Yeah, it's a bit weird, mate. It's kind of like a kid. You grow up with him.
Not really.
No, but okay. Each their own, I suppose. You're going to have to work a bit harder here, Jules. I'm at a point in my life where I don't go out.
What do you do when you're
You
in?
know, like, I just like, games and stuff.
Oh, George, mate, this is not the way to get the girl.
Like computer games?
Yeah, computer, console, that kind of stuff.
Hey guys, it's G. I'm really not well today. I never get ill. Like, I never, ever get ill. But for the past week, I've been ill with a cold, and now it's, like, getting worse. Like, I don't sound as bad, but, oh, my head feels like it's going to pop. It must be my sinuses because my head is so sore. And, like, my eyelids hurt. This is really weird. I've literally not even put makeup on apart from lashes and not really filled in my brows either. Like, I don't fill in my brows anymore. I just don't have the energy to put makeup on. I actually feel like I'm going to fall asleep. But, oh my god, I'm feeling really embarrassed. My hair's a mess. Like, everything's a mess. Like, I am just a hot mess right now. Anyway, I'm a hot mess. I'm not looking great. I'm really ill. But I just want to say, I'm going to show you my wardrobes while they're done as well. Because I've organised them, and I'm just going to transfer, like, my coats and bits into them in a minute. But, yeah, I'm going to show you my wardrobe. And this, you guys, is my other wardrobe that I've finally sorted. And I'll put a before and after pic in right now. But this is the after, and how incredible. I'm not going to lie, this is probably my favourite wardrobe. I've got my bags in the little storage pockets. And then right in the corner, I've got, like, my baskets, my skincare, my Bath and Body Works. Up here's, like, my jewellery. And then I've got my coats. So this is pretty much all of my jackets. So I've got my beige Gigi Hadid coat. I have my my teddy bear coat. I have my navy fluffy faux fur coat. I have a grey coat with fur. Obviously faux fur, of course. And then I have 3 denim jackets, one that's a little bit cropped